The first paragraph of any essay is called the introduction paragraph. And generally, depending on what type of writing you're doing, you will start with a hook. So that's a sentence, maybe two sentences that grabs the reader's attention and really hooks them into whatever you're going to be talking about. Some examples of types of hooks would be a question, asking a question that would make the reader think more about the topic and would hold their attention, a story, really setting the scene for the reader, or even a strong fact or quote, something that would be strong enough and interesting enough that the reader would want to read more about that topic or see or find out more information about that. The second part of this essay, for the argumentative essay, would be the bridge or background information. You might hear it called either or, but they really mean the same thing. A lot of people will call it the bridge sentence or sentences, and when you move on to like higher grades and even college, that's probably what it will be more commonly referred to as, but really it just means background information. So this is 2 to 3 sentences giving the reader some context. What does the reader need to know in order to understand your argument? So whatever topic you're talking about, what do they need to know about that topic before they even start reading anything else? So some background information on that. And then the last part of the argumentative essay, you end the first paragraph, the introduction paragraph, with the thesis. The thesis is basically your claim or your answer to the question, plus reasons that this is your answer. So you'll restate and answer the question and then put because and list 3 reasons. The reason why we add this at the end and the way that we do, like the reason we include it here and in this structure is basically because this is setting the organization for the whole essay. So we leave the introduction paragraph knowing like exactly what we're going to be talking about and what we're going to be arguing for. And also you've given 3 reasons why that's the answer, and then you'll transition into your body paragraphs. There are 3 body paragraphs, and so 1 reason for each body paragraph. So to recap, the hook grabs the reader's attention, so it gets them thinking about the topic. The bridge and background information then allows them to understand what they need to know about the topic before reading. And lastly, you end the introduction paragraph with the thesis stating what you're going to be arguing for and why.